Hi, this is Brian. Welcome back to another Heroic Plus One. As you know, if you've been following along, I like to say that Soul Force is the superpower all of our favorite heroes expressed in their own idiosyncratic ways. Gandhi had it. In fact, he named it. Martin Luther King Jr. had it and even mentioned it in his I Have a Dream speech. Winston Churchill had it, so did Eleanor Roosevelt and Florence Nightingale. And Viktor Frankl and Epictetus and Marcus Aurelius, all of our favorite heroes, had Soul Force. And most importantly, you have it. We just need to activate it, which, I repeat, is the entire point of all of our work together. Which leads us to the Soul Force equation and how to activate it. Here's the equation. Soul Force equals, parentheses, energy times focus times win to the power of consistency. From my perspective, if we want to activate our heroic Soul Force superpowers, we need to do three things at the highest possible level. First, we need to get our energy to truly heroic levels. Fact is, if we're not dominating our fundies, eating, moving, sleeping, breathing, and have a hard time getting out of bed because of poor lifestyle choices, we're going to have a really hard time showing up at our best in any aspect of our lives. Then we need to focus that energy on what's truly most important right now, or as we like to say on WIN or WIN, which is short for what's important now, WIN. That's the first part of our Soul Force equation. Again, parentheses, energy times focus times win, end parentheses. Then we bring in the final and by far the most important variable, consistency. Know this, if you can only get yourself to get your energy focused on what's important now once in a while, you will never actualize your potential, all caps, never, exclamation point. But if you can get yourself to show up consistently, you can tap into your infinite superpowers. Here's the quick math to prove the point. Let's say your energy, focus, win, and consistency can be measured from 0 to 100. If you can get your energy to 100 and your focus to 100 and put that focused energy on what's truly 100 level most important, you'd have 100 times 100 times 100 equals 1 million units of awesome. Nice work. Now it's time to bring in the exponentializing power of consistency. To use an extreme example to make the point, if your consistency is a 0 and you can only get yourself to show up at your best once in a while, or insert whiny voice when you feel like it, your 1 million units of power raised to 0 will reduce your power to 1. But if you can consistently focus your energy on what's important now, you know what happens when we take the 100 times 100 times 100 equals 1 million units of power and raise it to the power of 100? I can still remember the morning I typed this into the Google calculator. 100 times 100 times 100 equals, again, 1 million. 1 million raised to the power of 100 equals infinity. That is how to activate your Soul Force and tap into your infinite superpowers. Dominate the fundamentals to get your energy to heroic levels. Eliminate distractions and learn to focus that energy like a laser beam on what's important now. Then do that consistently, and you, my dear friend, will be the heroic, radiant exemplar we so desperately need you to be. How do we do that? Discipline. It's our destiny.